flood warning continues for the Scioto River near LaRue until Sunday evening. At 2 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 12.8 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 11 feet. The river will rise to near 12.8 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage Sunday afternoon. At 13 feet, river at Bankville in the village of LaRue. Flood waters will spread to East Vine Street. At 12 feet, flooding occurs in lowland areas in and around the village of LaRue. Route 37 and parts of Vine Street inundated. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River near Prospect from this evening until further notice. At 2 p.m. the stage was 8.4 feet. Flood stage is 9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 9.4 feet by Sunday morning. At 9 feet, water inundates low portions of Highway 203 north of Prospect. Now looking at the web.